Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. Okay, so we are going to make a delicious apple caramel smoothie. Yeah, tastes almost like apple pie maybe, but definitely apple caramel smoothie. We're gonna add a touch of caramel with some frozen apples, some vanilla yogurt, and the nice cinnamon spice to it. So I'm gonna add a secret fruit. Some people use it a lot for savory dishes. They won't change the taste, but will make it more creamy and smoothie of avocado inside our apple caramel smoothie. Some of our almond milk here, and I have some frozen apples. I'm gonna add some frozen apples. Oh, it's a lot of frozen apples here. Okay. I'm gonna pour the rest of my diced avocados that I had left in here. It oxidized. So I'm gonna pour some vanilla extract. Add another half a cup, and all the ingredients will be listed in this video for you. Now adding some vanilla bean yogurt to this. Okay. So the avocado in this would give it a nice creamy texture. Okay, add just some caramel to kind of give it that sweetness. Here's our vitamin content. So we're gonna blend our smoothie. So I'm just gonna kind of just do just freehand swirls. And here are a list of ingredients. And here we go, pouring our apple. Look how thick that is. And let's add some caramel here. And a little bit of apple. Apple slices. Just a little bit more caramel. And there's our apple caramel smoothie. This is our apple caramel smoothie. And we have our resident taste tester, Gio, who's going to taste it and let us know, does it really taste like apples and caramel?
You can definitely taste the apple in there. And there's some chunks that are in there too, which is always a nice little texture coming up through the straw. And then the caramel comes in a few seconds after, so that's also a nice little flavor. And the cinnamon blends real well with it all too. It sort of tops it off. So overall, it's pretty good.
Let me try it. Definitely nice and thick. Totally taste the apple, totally taste the cinnamon, and totally taste the caramel. All three combinations. This is a nice high fiber smoothie with your oatmeal that's in here and your apples. And you do have the protein from the yogurt in here. But if you love apples and you love caramel, definitely give this a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. My son is a big apple fan, apple lover. So if you have children who love apples, as opposed to giving them, maybe an apple turnover, this would be like a nice treat to give them because it's nice and thick as well. Thank you for hanging out with Gio and I today. We will see you in our next video, and most of all, be good to yourself and God bless you.
A twist on boring salads is your ultimate guide to creating sensational salads that will leave your taste buds begging for more. Imagine having a different, delicious, and creative salad for every day of the month while you transform your salads into a culinary adventure. But that's not all. Chef Fran Glover has something for every meal and love in every bite. Whether you're looking for appetizers to impress your guest, breakfast options to jumpstart your day, satisfying lunch and dinner recipes, delectable desserts, or even dishes for those following a vegetarian or keto lifestyle, this cookbook has it all.